send that out to any one of the traffic sources that you've seen so far, or any other traffic source that you might have available to you. And look, somebody clicks on that link and they go to this page. Now, this is a page that's already pre-built and launched for me. I don't have to do the graphics. I don't have to write this headline. I don't have to set up the integration. I don't need to know HTML or CSS or PHP or any of these coding languages. I don't have to be a designer. I don't have to pay somebody a lot of money to do this. And best of all, when they hit this link and they enter their email address there, that goes to my email list specifically. And when you deploy this for yourself, these new visitors are going to land on your email list, an email list that you own 100% of, that you control 100% of. Now, of course, after they enter their email into that lead capture page, this is the page that they see, the same one that we already shared with you, the start of the process that's already done over $1.2 million in sales. Again, you don't have to create this video messaging. All this is on ClickBank, which means that you can feel safe and secure that you're going to get paid right away directly from ClickBank. When people, if people don't want to watch that video, they can read the entire text message so that they can buy directly from this message. And again, all of this is done automatically for you with the L3 cloning process. And look, if you are as excited as I am about this still, go ahead and type yes in the chat. This is game changer. This is what makes this system totally new and totally unique, like nothing you've ever seen before. Okay, so what happens when someone subscribes to that list? Well, they have to get the free report that you promised them. And guess what? You don't have to do that either. This is a download page where your new visitors can download this free ebook. Each of these campaigns has a different free ebook associated with it. All of it's already done for you. And this is really the start of how you go out and you build a relationship with your subscribers right away. They're going to love you for this because you're leading with value. You're giving them something very valuable right out of the gate, and you don't have to create any of this. You don't have to create this web page that you see. Those 3 clicks to activate and deploy the L3 cloning process does all of that for you. Super, super exciting. And here's some of the results. When our brand new members have gone through this, like Benjamin you see here, he says, he posted this in our Facebook community, he says, I'm brand new here and have had my first 5 sales and still going. And imagine that, being brand new and getting 5 sales with just deploying the L3 cloning process. Really, really exciting. Here's another one of our members, Ed Soder, who says 700 total subscribers now, and he's also made several sales just by deploying this L3 cloning process. Here's one of our members, Edward Pratt, from Louisville, Kentucky. And, you know, I got the chance to speak with Edward, and he had spent years trying to do this process on his own, going the path of the do-it-yourself path. And he says, you know, Tim, in 1 week, I've gotten more results than I had in years. It feels excellent. He says the training is just chock full of ridiculously great information, right to the point, crystal clear, and this is super exciting. Here's Edward saying how he got his first sale, and one of our members really excited that she got her first subscriber. So in List Launch Pro, you get done for you List Launch Pro campaigns, all powered by the L3 cloning process. All these campaigns are mobile optimized. You get the lead capture, or AKA the squeeze pages. We give you a free gift to give away, the custom thank you pages. All of these have commission boosting bonus links that, look, we could do an entire training just on the commission boosting bonus links that are in there so that you make more commissions for each sale. The done for you split testing and tracking, all of this is done for you without any extra fee, without hiring a programmer, a designer, or doing what Winter did, which is invest years and years of time learning how to do all this stuff on your own. And what's really exciting is that all of this is integrated with your unique ClickBank affiliate link, meaning that when anytime somebody clicks on a link in one of your emails and buys, that money shows up in your ClickBank and gets direct deposited, or you get a check directly from ClickBank. So all of these are connected automatically to your email autoresponder. Makes it super simple to launch your online business automatically. But we don't just give you the tools. We don't just give you the fish, we also teach you how to fish yourself. This has a full library of training videos. This one is how to make your first sale online. And you know, Winter, I vividly remember my first sale, and I know you do too. You have a great story, and I'll just kind of plant a seed in your mind to share that story because it was really a game changer.